Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to another one of the TarTacular's unboxing videos. Guys, I realized I did the unboxing for this and the MDR-1000x yesterday night, but I did it in 4K HDR, so a lot of you might not still have HDR screens, so it might seem like a dim image if you don't have HDR. So I'm just recording this in normal HDR but 4K as well. So this is kind of a re-unboxing of a re-unboxing video. So today I'm bringing you the MDR-1000x, the wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling Sony headphones, and these are for the price, I think these are excellent. I got this from Sony Ranks Shimanto Square. The section in charge there, Abu Hanif, Mr. Abu Hanif was very helpful to me. He let me demo a lot of the headphones, and I took a look at the made quality and where they're from, where they're imported from and everything. They were very helpful. I was so impressed with their accommodation, I guess, that I got two headphones, and I got a, I'm thinking of getting a really high-range TV from them as well. So anyways, later let's do the unboxing. This is the MDR-1000x. This is a active noise cancelling headphone. So what happens is whatever noise is coming from outside, they actively cancel it out, and it has on the ear cups touch functions, and also the thing is these are really comfortable, and the music quality, you'd never know if you're listening to FLAC files. You'd never know if the audio input is wireless, not wired, because it's so good, it feels like a wired headphone. And also it has LDAC, so if you're streaming from Android compatible phones, like I have a Sony Xperia Z gifted by my elder sister. If I'm streaming from there, there is basically no difference from a wired connection headphone, 40mm drivers. So anyways, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the MDR-1000x. Let me fix the white balance on this. I shot this, but I shot this in HDR, then realized that some of you might not have HDR screens and have trouble watching this, so that's why I'm shooting this in HDR, but hopefully still the quality is pretty good, huh? Alright, let's take a look. Really beautiful Sony, and you get a really nice welcoming box. I already unboxed this, so it's like a unboxing of well, re-unboxing, I guess. And even the cables, they're gold plated, and I think I showed this, you can NFC pair these headphones, and they're really like over the top premium. So there you go. And I really like this beige color. There you go. They feel premium, they are premium. There you go. And very stylish as well. Let's take a look at the ear cups, a little bit focused. There we go. And there you go. So guys, that's my unboxing for the MDR-1000x. I'll be doing the unboxing, well, re-unboxing of the MDR-Z7 after this one. So thank you for watching. Take care.